Hello friends, you are welcome in KM Video Only Education channel. Today we are going to learn English question set which is useful for English conversation. Fill in the blank with your own information. मोकळ्या जागी स्वतःची माहिती भरा. Question number 1. How old are you? Answer. I am dash years old. Question number 2. Do you have brother? Answer. असेल तर yes I have brother. भाऊ नसेल तर I have no brother. Question number 3. How many do you have brothers? Answer. एक असेल तर I have dash brother. दोन किंवा अधिक असतील तर I have dash brothers. Question number 4. Do you have sister? Answer. एक असेल तर I have dash sister. दोन किंवा अधिक असतील तर I have dash sisters. Question number 5. Where do you live? Answer. I live in dash. Please like, share and comments. Subscribe KM Video for new educational videos. Also press bell icon to get notification of new videos. Thank you.